Hi, I'm Tracy and welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. I'm so glad you stopped by to craft with me because this is part 1 of a 4-part series focusing on the sweet treats of the Candyland theme. Now I know there are 1,000,001 ways to make these sweet treat ornaments, but I wanted to challenge myself by using craft supplies that were simple to work with, easy to find in the marketplace, and budget friendly. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? The simple supply I'm going to be using in this DIY is going to be felt. I'm going to be using 3 pieces of felt cut in strips measuring 3/4 inch wide by 12 inches long. Once I have my strips cut, I line them up, stacked on top of each other. And then I begin spiraling the 3 pieces of felt together. I get a few wraps in, then I add a touch of hot glue to hold them together as I twist them and finish them up. Then once I've got them spiraled into place, I cut off the excess, which you'll always have excess as you're spiraling, so don't worry about that. And once I cut off the excess, then I add a touch of hot glue to the bottom, the middle, and the top to hold them all together. Making this fun little spiraled circle. Then we move on to our pink felt. We're going to be cutting 2 2-inch strips and they measure 1 inch wide. Now that my pink strips of felt are cut, I'm going to fold them in an accordion pattern, sort of like folding a paper fan. Then, once I have them folded, I add a touch of hot glue and I attach it to the side of my spiral felt round. And then I continue the process on with the other pink strip, folding it in the accordion pattern, then attaching it to the other side. How sweet is this little piece of candy? Now we're going to add little ribbon ties to each end and add a ribbon hanger. What did the gingerbread man put on his bed? A cookie sheet. Oh my God, that's funny. Okay. Okay, now subscribe or else. It's nowhere else. But I would like you to subscribe.